Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beef Dum Pukht. This traditional cooking method, originating from Central Asia, involves slow cooking meat in a sealed pot. The technique, known as Dum Pukht, literally means to breathe and to cook, ensuring that all the rich flavors and aromas are perfectly sealed within the dish. You'll achieve incredibly tender beef, infused with spices, making for a truly memorable meal that's surprisingly simple to prepare. To begin your Beef Dum Pukht journey, you'll need about 2 pounds of beef, preferably from the shoulder or leg, cut into generous 2-inch pieces. For the marinade, combine 1 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. You'll also need 4 medium onions, thinly sliced, and 2 ripe tomatoes, quartered. Don't forget your whole spices. About 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 6 to 8 cloves, and 4 green cardamom pods will add depth. Now for the cooking magic. First, marinate your beef with the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt for at least 30 minutes. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create layers. Start with half of the sliced onions, then add the marinated beef, followed by the quartered tomatoes and the whole spices. Pour in about 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Crucially, seal the pot tightly with a dough or aluminum foil lid to trap all the steam and flavors. Cook on very low heat for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours of patient cooking, your Beef Dum Pukht is ready. Carefully open the sealed pot and you'll be greeted by an incredible aroma. The beef should be incredibly tender, practically falling apart with a fork. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Serve this rich, savory dish hot with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or even a simple side salad. It's a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.